Hey there! Today, we're going to explore a really cool concept called reverse causation. It's a bit like solving a mystery backwards. Imagine you notice that in cities where there are more firefighters at fires, there's usually more damage. You might think, wow, do more firefighters cause more damage? But that's not quite right. The truth is, bigger fires need more firefighters. So the size of the fire is what actually causes more firefighters to come, not the other way around. This mix-up happens because two things occur together, but it doesn't mean one causes the other. It's important to dig deeper and ask, what's really going on? This helps us understand the true cause and avoid getting tricked by appearances. Remember, next time you see two things happening at the same time, think about whether one really causes the other, or if they just show up at the same party. Keep questioning and stay curious.